I've been exploring Colorado for over a week now, mainly in the Southwest, and this has easily been my favorite campsite so far. How's it going, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do some more truck camping. Oh, excuse me. Tell me this isn't the most sick spot you've ever seen in your life. We're at the Basin is the name of it. Right now I've got it all to myself. Cannot believe there's not anybody else here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though, I stayed here last night and there was a couple people here, which it was a Saturday night, and I guess that's why. So I just decided to stay another night and make a video out of it, because I thought this is one of the best spots I've been so far. I think that was a coyote, but I've never heard one in the middle of the day like that. That was freaking weird. Like, it couldn't have been 50 yards away from me, but there were so many trees in the way you couldn't see it. I think it's gone now. It's not barking anymore. Well, I guess I'm gonna show y'all around. This spot is so sick. I actually have service too. Like, I've been able to watch Netflix at night. I mean, does it really get any better than this? I mean, the only thing that could make it better is if a freaking Subaru full of hot girls pulled up. That's about the only way it could be any better. I mean, literally, just look at my truck. It's literally all the way, like right there. You can't even see it. So I've been walking around this whole little pond and it's super clear, and I've yet to see even one fish. Not even a little minnow. Well, that's the pond. I'm starting to get pretty hungry, so I guess I'm gonna cook some dinner. Probably gonna keep it kind of simple and just do some chicken and rice. I really need some new recipes, so if y'all know anything that's real simple to cook, please let me know, because I'm running out of ideas. I went on ahead and got in the back of the truck. It was getting pretty cold, and I was gonna film me getting in it, like always, but now there's someone camping on the other side, and I didn't want to be annoying and bother them, so. That couple, they got here right before I started cooking, and they literally sat on the other side of the pond and just basically watched me film me cooking everything. So I was kind of in a rush. Sorry if it doesn't turn out to be so great. If you're ever out this way, close to Telluride, it's like an hour south of Telluride, definitely come camp here, because man, it has been a great spot. I'm pretty jealous of any of y'all that live in Colorado, because there's just so many freaking awesome places to truck camp. It's unreal. Like, I mean, I've only got like a few options in Alabama, unless I want to drive a long ways, and Tennessee has some options too, but there's just no public land in Alabama or Tennessee that you can camp at in a vehicle besides Bankhead. Yeah, I'm jealous. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's such a weird feeling to like be unemployed after you've been working for 10 years. Like, I don't know, even just a week, and I'm just like, it's just a weird feeling. I mean, like I said, when I get back home, I'm sure I'm gonna try and find another job, hopefully a better job. But if not, I'll just keep making truck camping videos for you guys, and I don't know, I might start doing DoorDash or something on the side, whatever it takes. I'm rambling. I guess I'm going to go to sleep, so I will catch you guys and gals in the morning. Good night. Good morning, y'all. I'm gonna make some coffee and then hit the road, I guess. I guess I'm probably gonna end the video here. Thank you guys and gals so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy, everybody.